GeopByte.
Hello everyone, hope you all guys are doing very well. Now we'll give an example. So my A set is having 6 elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have to define a relation from set A to set A in such a way that my relation R is equal to xy ordered pairs is such that this element y of the second set is equal to x plus 1. So we'll write the set A and B as we did it for Rajnikant and the industry we are working. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is my set A. What it is written? Relation to A. That is A to A. But what are the elements? Same elements because both are A. Set A. By the relation R, we have to find relation between this set and this set in such a way that my x comma y, if the elements in set A are represented by x and set A are represented by y, I'll write A1 and A2 to be easy. A2 as y, then what is x and y? Mine such that y equal to x plus 1. That is here, done here. So what is y equal to x plus 1? If my x, where is the x starting from? 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. For y equal to x equal to 1, you got 2. For y, what is the value of y for x equal to 2? 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So what are the elements I can get? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is at x equal to 6. Now, so these are the elements. Okay? But it's a relation where x and y are elements of set A and A. So, are 7 an element in set A? Do we have any element here as 7? No. So, we can't take this value. So, what are the elements? It's these elements. So, how do we write it in the ordered pairs? That is, for 1, it's 2 in y position. Similarly, for 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5, 6. So, how do we match it here? For 1, what is the relation it's having with the set A2? That is 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. This is my domain and this is my codomain. These are the range. Now, if the number of elements in set A is 2, number of elements in set B is 2, then what is A cross B? It is 4. Then how many subsets I have? It is 2 raised to 4. And how many relations I can make it with this thing? That is also 2 raised to 4. So if this is M, the number of relations is equal to 2 raised to n. Now we have dealt with relations, and what is the other thing? It's functions. So what are functions? Functions are special type of relations. So what is the function's definition? It's a relation, it's also a relation f from a set A to a set B and is said to be a function if every element of A has one and only one image in set B. So what is image and what is the sentence? Sentence means that is, if I have a set A and elements in set B, then I can define a relation are between set A and set B such that for each element in A, I have a relation in B and which is distinct and unique. That is only one and only one image in set B. That is only one element in A has only one relation in B and not two relations. Okay? That is f is the function from A to B and it's A comma B is the element of function. Then f of A equal to f of B. Then B is my image and A is my pre-image. Okay? So I'll give you an example to understand what this sentence exactly means. An example is, if R is a relation, we have defined a relation. We have defined a relation that is such that 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3 and 4, 4 are the relation. Then, is this a function? Only my relation becomes a function only when this is satisfied. The whole sentence is satisfied. Only then the relation becomes a function. So, is this relation a function? We'll see that. See, what are the elements in A? If set A is having 2, 3 and 4, B is having 2, 3 and 4. See, what is the ordered pair? That is 2, 2. That is 2 related to 2. And 2 is also related to 4. Okay. 3 is related to 3. Fine. 4 is related to 4. But you can see that 2 is having two images. See, 2 is related to this 2 and 2 is related to this 4. So, it is having two relations in the set B which does not satisfy this condition, that is one and only one image. So, this is not a function. But if I can say 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, this is not a function. Why it is not a function? Because 2 is having relation with 2 and relation with 4. So, we won't consider it as a function. But this is possible. See, why? 2 is having only one relation with 1. Okay, that is image. But 3 is also having relation with 1. That is accepted. But not this way. I cannot have two images for one element, that is pre-image, but I can have two pre-images can have one image. So this is a function whereas this is not. Now I'll give you another example. Hope you guys didn't forget what is domain codomain. I'll repeat it again. That is example, if n is the natural numbers and if I define a relation such that it is n to n with the relation 2x, okay, then what is my domain? From where it is defined? It is defined from n, that is my natural numbers. And what is my codomain? That is to where it is defined. It is also natural numbers. So what is the relation? That is my range. What is the relation? It's 2x. What is 2x? What are the numbers in 2x? If x is varies from 1 to 10, it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. No? So aren't they even numbers? So my range is even numbers. Okay? Now I will define function such that 2x plus 1 y equal to 2x plus 1 is the relation Now find the elements in the relation. If x is also an element in natural numbers and y is also an element in natural numbers. So how do we write it as a box? We can, this is x, y, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the relation between x and y? What is the relation between x and y? Y is written as 2x plus 1. So that means I had to vary x such that I get a particular y value. So what is the value of x? It is 0. So what is 0 plus 1? It's 1. And what is the value of y if x equal to 1? It will be 2 into 1 plus 1, it's 3. If it's 2, 2 into 2 plus 1, it's 5. If it's 3, 7. And if it's 4, it's 9. So what is the relation between x and y? It is 2x plus 1. Or if they have given you in the questions, if they have given this x and y and ask you to find the relation between this set A and set B, then you have to find this relation between elements x and y. You have to, we found the elements, now elements are given, now we have to find the relation. It's the other way around. So you have to see the sequence, then find the relation between the two sets.
GeopByte.